We know there are multiple spots along the length of this neck, and everybody knows if you want to get the action where you'd like it to be, the neck along the trajectory of the string path needs to be as close to laser level as possible. But the point I'm trying to make here is you just don't go willy-nilly at a guitar with a file. And that's why we've had guys with these $135,000 CNC machines order TechDecks. A team of engineers and a CNC machine is not the solution. I constantly correct what those CNC machines miss. But if the technician doesn't know enough about the truss rod, lay of the neck, relieving the neck of the string tension, what kind of strings are going to be used, the list goes on and on and on. And this is why we sell a TechDeck worldwide, and my students do fret dressing all the time, and they're correcting stuff that these CNC machines miss as well. You can see all of the spots that I marked along the length of this neck. Those didn't take a lot. It's just that there was multiple places all over the neck that needed to be just grazed ever so slightly. So you can see clearly that a maple fret dress is a lot more work. I mean, just the masking alone adds a tremendous amount of time to the job. But it's a fellow that I was talking to from California at the NAMM show at that time, which a couple of years ago, they were charging $265 US for a fret dress on one of these CNC machines. It's obvious why they're going to charge that kind of money. They've got $125,000 tied up in the actual machine and then the real estate to house it, and they got to make that money back somehow. It's not just the neck that's supported. The body and the neck are supported simultaneously. Jeff Rice from In-Town Guitar Repair in Atlanta, Georgia, mentioned recently in some correspondence that the old shot bag method that he used to use, and lots of people do, he said that's a thing of the past since he's had his tech deck. Fret work especially is how our customers are flipping the purchase price in a couple of days and never looking back. This is going to be set up for 9 to 46 strings at concert pitch. And this is our 9 to 46 hybrid string tuned to concert pitch. And the nut is, again, a moving target. It's not like any other nut you're going to see. And that's what we've got. Well, now that Frank's Strat is done, I thought it might be a good time for a little fireside Strat. So here's the progression, kind of C add 9 to A minor to D minor 9 to dominant 7th, turn around. So now I go through the same chords, just different inversions of the same chords. So I've layered those two chord progressions, and I'll just blow over top. So I'll let that play.